Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face? Enter the world of faceless YouTube channels, a realm where content is king and faces are optional. This unique and fascinating segment of YouTube has been growing in popularity, and for good reason. The beauty of these channels lies in their simplicity and accessibility, making them a viable option for anyone with a story to tell or an idea to share. Now you might be thinking, why would anyone want to create a faceless channel? Well, there are a myriad of reasons. Firstly, privacy is a significant factor. In the digital era, maintaining your privacy can be a challenging task. With faceless channels, you can share your thoughts, ideas, and creativity with the world, all while keeping your identity a secret. It's a perfect solution for those who wish to remain anonymous, yet still want to participate in the vibrant YouTube community. Secondly, not everyone is comfortable in front of a camera. It's completely natural to feel a bit camera shy or self-conscious. If the thought of appearing on camera sends shivers down your spine, a faceless channel is an excellent way to bypass this hurdle. You can focus on creating engaging content without the worry of how you look or sound. Furthermore, faceless channels provide a certain level of creative freedom. You aren't confined to a specific format or style. Whether you're into animation, storytelling, educational content, or something entirely different, the possibilities are endless. It's worth noting that numerous successful channels on YouTube are faceless. They've amassed thousands, even millions of subscribers, proving that you don't necessarily need to show your face to make a mark on this platform. So, are you intrigued? Good, because this is only the beginning. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the process of creating your own faceless YouTube channel. To kick things off, we need to set up a Google account. Setting up a Google account is as simple as pie. First, head over to Google's homepage and click on Sign In at the top right corner. From there, select Create Account and you're on your way. You'll be asked to fill in some basic information like your first and last name, then choose a username. This will be your new Gmail address, so choose something that represents you or your upcoming YouTube channel well. Next, you'll need to create a password. Remember, your password is your first line of defense against hackers, so make it strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Finally, Google will ask for a phone number and an alternate email address for account recovery purposes. This can be crucial if you ever forget your password or get locked out of your account. With your Google account ready, we're one step closer to launching your YouTube channel. Now, it's time to create your YouTube channel. Think of your channel as your personal stage, a place where you share your unique perspective with the world. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account we created in the previous step. Now, navigate to YouTube and click on the user icon at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Channel. You'll be prompted to create a personal channel or a custom channel. A personal channel takes your Google account name, while a custom channel allows you to choose your own name. If you're creating a faceless channel, a custom channel is the way to go. Now, let's talk about choosing the right name for your channel. This is a critical step because your channel name is your brand's first impression. It should align with the content you plan to produce and be easily identifiable. It could be quirky, serious, or straightforward, but make sure it's something that resonates with your target audience. Remember, this name will represent you across the YouTube universe. Once you've decided on a name, enter it into the box and click Create. Voila! Your YouTube channel is now live. But don't rush to upload just yet. There's more to building a successful channel than just creating it. Before we move forward, take a moment to review your channel's default settings. These include your privacy settings, upload preferences, and more. Go through each setting to ensure that everything is set up according to your preferences. Lastly, don't forget to verify your channel. This step is essential as it unlocks additional features like the ability to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, live streaming, and custom thumbnails. You can verify your channel by clicking on the settings icon, then channel status and features, and finally, verify. Congratulations, you've just created your YouTube channel, but we're not done yet. There's still plenty to cover. So stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of channel customization and content creation. Now that you have your channel, it's time to make it yours. Customizing your YouTube channel is like decorating your own room. It's a space that reflects who you are and what you're all about. And remember, first impressions count. When someone stumbles upon your channel, you want to make sure they know exactly what they're getting into. Let's start with your channel description. This is your chance to tell the world what your channel is all about. Keep it concise, yet informative. Use keywords that are relevant to your content, but avoid sounding too salesy. You're not selling a product, you're selling an experience, a journey that you want your viewers to be part of. Moving on to the channel banner. Think of it as a billboard advertising your channel. Visually, it should be an extension of your channel's personality. It's the first thing viewers will see, so make it captivating. It can be a montage of images, a catchy phrase, or even a simple, clean design. Whatever it is, make sure it resonates with your brand. Lastly, we have channel links. This is where you can connect your YouTube channel with your other social media profiles. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, you name it. These links will appear on your channel's banner, making it easy for your viewers to follow you across different platforms. Now here's a tip. Always check how your channel looks on different devices. The banner might look great on your desktop, but it might be cropped awkwardly on a mobile device. So make sure to optimize it for all platforms. All these elements, the description, banner and links, they work together to create your channel's identity. Your viewers should be able to look at your channel and instantly understand what you're about. Your channel is now looking pretty snazzy, but we're still missing one thing: content. And that, my friends, is where the real fun begins. But we'll get to that in our next segment, so stay tuned. Creating content without showing your face might seem tricky, but it's simpler than you think. Let's dive into the ocean of faceless content creation. This world is vast, filled with possibilities, and it's not as daunting as it may appear. You have a multitude of options, each with their own charm and unique appeal. Imagine you're a storyteller, your voice is your tool, and your canvas is the listener's imagination. This is the magic of voiceovers. You can use your vocal prowess to narrate stories, explain concepts, or guide viewers through tutorials. The beauty of voiceovers is that they allow you to maintain a sense of presence and personal touch without ever having to step in front of a camera. But what if you're not comfortable with your voice? No worries, there's still a world of opportunities. Enter the realm of animations. From simple whiteboard animations to complex 3D creations, there's a wide spectrum to explore. It's a fun and creative way to bring your ideas to life. And the best part? There are numerous tools and software available that make the process easy and enjoyable, even for beginners. Now, let's move on to screencasts. This is where you record your computer screen while performing a task or explaining a concept. It's perfect for software tutorials, coding lessons, or even digital art creation. Just like voiceovers, screencasts allow you to share your knowledge with the world without revealing your identity. And of course, we can't forget about gameplay videos. If you're a gaming enthusiast, this is your playground. You can share your gaming adventures, strategies, and reviews, all while remaining faceless. The gaming community is vast and always hungry for new content. Now, regardless of the type of faceless content you choose, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, high-quality audio is crucial. It's often the main form of communication in faceless videos, so it needs to be clear and pleasant to listen to. Invest in a good microphone, learn about audio editing, and ensure your voice or sound effects are always perfectly audible. Secondly, never underestimate the power of engaging visuals. They're your secret weapon in keeping your viewers hooked. Whether it's a beautiful animation, a well-executed screencast, or an exciting gameplay video, your visuals should always be compelling and high quality. Remember, just because your face isn't on screen doesn't mean your content can't be visually stunning. So there you have it. Voiceovers, animations, screencasts, gameplay videos. These are just a few examples of the kinds of faceless content you can create. The possibilities are endless. It's all about finding what suits you best and having fun with it. With these content ideas, you're well on your way to filling your channel with engaging, faceless videos. Once you have your content, it's time to upload and optimize. So what's the process? It's simple, straightforward, and most importantly, essential for your channel's success. First off, head over to YouTube and click on the Create button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll then select Upload Video. A new window will pop up, prompting you to select the video file you want to upload. Choose your video, and the upload will commence. While your video is uploading, you can start working on the details. The first of these is your video title. It's crucial to make it catchy and relevant. It's the first thing viewers see, and it should tell them exactly what they're about to watch. But remember, brevity is key. Next up is the video description. This is where you provide more detailed information about your video. It's also a great place to include any links to your social media accounts or any resources mentioned in your video. Make it informative and engaging to keep your viewers interested. Now, let's talk about tags. Tags are keywords that describe your video and help YouTube understand what your content is about. They contribute to how YouTube categorizes your content, which ultimately affects your video's visibility. So choose your tags wisely. Now, the SEO bit. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for any content on the internet, and YouTube videos are no exception. It's all about making your content discoverable. A well-optimized video will show up in search results, recommendations, and up next lists. So, pay attention to your title, description, and tags. Use relevant keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. Remember, your content should always provide value to the viewer. Once you've filled in all the details, hit publish. Voila! Your video is now live on your channel, ready for the world to see. Your first video is now live, but how do you get people to watch it? Well, that's where promotion comes in, and we'll delve into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. Creating and uploading content is only half the battle. Now, it's time to promote your channel. Promotion is a crucial aspect of growing your channel. It's about getting your content in front of people who are likely to enjoy it and become loyal subscribers. But how exactly do you do this? Let's delve in. One of the most effective ways to promote your channel is through social media. Create accounts for your channel on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Regularly post updates about your latest videos, behind-the-scenes content, or anything else your audience might find interesting. Remember, consistency is key. Regular posting not only keeps your audience engaged, but also helps to increase your visibility on these platforms. But don't just post and ghost. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments, like their posts, and participate in conversations. This interaction helps build a community around your channel, making people more likely to subscribe and stick around. Another powerful method of promotion is collaborations. Partnering with other creators, especially those with a larger or similar audience size, can expose your channel to a whole new set of viewers. When choosing who to collaborate with, consider whether their content aligns with yours. You want the viewers who come from their channel to enjoy your content and become subscribers. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators for collaborations. It might seem intimidating, but remember, they were once in your shoes. Many are willing to help out smaller channels. And who knows, it could be the start of a fruitful partnership. Now, let's talk about engaging with your viewers. This is more than just responding to comments on social media. It involves actively seeking out feedback and making your viewers feel valued. Ask them what they liked about your videos, what they didn't, and what they'd like to see in the future. Use their feedback to improve your content and make it more appealing. Consider hosting Q&A sessions, live streams, or even contests to further engage with your viewers. These activities not only make your viewers feel more connected to your channel, but also incentivize them to subscribe and share your content. Remember, promotion is an ongoing process. It's not something you do once and forget about. Keep experimenting with different strategies, monitor what works and what doesn't, and adjust your approach accordingly. Finally, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and patience. But with consistent effort and the right promotion strategies, you'll slowly but surely see your subscriber count rise. With these promotion strategies, you're well on your way to growing your Faceless YouTube channel. Now it's time to get started. Happy YouTubing. We've covered a lot today, but remember, this is just the beginning. We've walked through setting up a Google account, creating and customizing your YouTube channel, and even how to create content without showing your face. We've also covered the process of uploading, optimizing, and promoting your videos. Each step is a building block towards your faceless YouTube channel. It's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. So, are you ready to start your faceless YouTube journey? The world is waiting to hear your voice.